In this animation, we will demonstrate the repair of a distal radius fracture using a low-profile metal plate with screws. The radius is one of the two large bones of the lower part of the arm. Fractures of the distal radius are among the most common orthopedic injuries. They usually occur after falls or sports-related activities. The normal anatomy of the broken radius needs to be restored to ensure normal function of the wrist. During the surgery, your doctor makes an incision on the top of your wrist. Then the broken fragments are accurately positioned and a metal plate is fixed with screws to the radius to maintain the final alignment. This completes the repair of the distal radius fracture.